Hello, in this video we will demonstrate how to install the IBM SPSS Statistics software version 29. For the installation process, we'll need an installation file. Also, we will need an activation code. Download the installation file to your computer. The file is usually located in the download directory. Please download an installation file from a licensed distributor or an academic institution. It is recommended not to download an installation file from an unverified or suspicious internet site. Files downloaded from sites like this usually contain a virus or other malwares. Additionally, we will need an authorization code from the software provider. This code is made up of 20 characters, and without it, we will not be able to have a license to operate the program. Please verify you have such a code before you start installing the program. Please notice this code is an example code. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Please wait until the installation process will begin. We can now see that the system is starting to install the program. In this window, you can see that installing IBM SPSS Statistics version 29 will overwrite any existing installations of version 28 or later. Please click Next. Accept the terms and license agreement and click Next. In this window, you can see the installation path of the program. For support purposes, please do not alter or change this path. Click Next. Click Install to install the program. You will now have to be patient for the Install Shield wizard to finish the process. At the end of the installation process, please verify that Start IBM SPSS Statistics Now checkbox is marked and click Finish. You will now be presented the opening screen of the program. Upon the first activation, you will need to click Launch License Wizard. The License Authorization Wizard application will now start. In the first window of the License Authorization Wizard, please verify the first option, Authorized User License, is checked. Click Next. To avoid typing error, please copy and then paste your authorization code into the Enter Code field. Click Add and then click Next. Verify that the authorization process was a success. The license code will appear in green and End of Transaction will indicate successfully processed all codes. Any other notification or error message implies that the authorization process is failed. Please contact your technical support. Else, click Next. In this window, we can see the license expiration date for the program and all its modules. Please verify the license expiration date match the one defined by the program provider. Click Finish. Please notice the first run of the program may take some time to complete. You will now be greeted with the Welcome to IBM SPSS Statistics dialog box. This box contains sorts of useful information. You can click Close. This is the data view for IBM SPSS Statistics program. To verify the program is working correctly, look at the bottom right hand of the data view and check for the IBM SPSS Statistics processor is ready indication. This means the program is running and licensed. Please notice IBM SPSS Statistics will create a shortcut on the desktop. This shortcut will enable you to run the program whenever you need. Thank you for listening. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos about SPSS. Thank you.